unconscious.
He's not breathing.
No pulse.
We don't know what happened to Ramona.
Was she below deck?
No, she was on board when we went over.
Start CPR. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wake up. Please wake
1,
up.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Riptide, Roger Pelton over the scene of a sailboat capsized near shore. Okay, let's see who we've got responding here. Looks like Lonnie and JD on the beach tending to a victim, and Newman and Cody hot dogging at the shore with a couple of wave runners. This is great. I'm going to be able to put you right over ground zero.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's one missing in the water.
Cody and Newman are in the water, apparently looking for another victim.
3, 4, 5. Come on. 1, 2.
Very impressive. You gotta hand it to them. These guys are pros at this. Look at Lonnie and JD struggling to save that guy's life. No wonder these lifeguards are all over each other after work.
We have a report of a news helicopter hindering the rescue operation. Please advise.
All right, listen. Get the Coast Guard, the Air Force, a SWAT team. I don't care. I want the helicopter at least 100 yards from the rescue scene. I can't find anyone. Numi! What? Under the sail! Okay. I'll get the mainsail. I'll take the jib. Get out of here!
Well, look at him, trying to use me as an excuse for not stripping off his captain's uniform and proving that he can't cut it in the water anymore.
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on.
Oh, thank God.
He's breathing. I'm gonna go help Mitch.
Okay.
Now let's get down a little lower here and see what we can see.
Injury. Get her to the hospital. Let me know how she is, will you? Go on!